Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rejoice, and if you're seeing this baby girl for the first time, you are highly welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So I have a very sensitive story on ground now, and now I'm considering if I should read it directly from the source or from the person, or if I should just paraphrase it and say it in my own words, which I think is going to save us some time. But on second thought, I think I am going to read it directly from the person so that I'm not going to omit anything, and I also want you guys to see how this person sounds, which I think is going to affect the way you judge his matter. So please guys, please, this is a very sensitive matter, and I want you to leave your comments in the comment section. I am also going to look for a way to kind of post this link on the post he made, you know, so that he would see your opinions, and you don't even know if it is your comment that will save the day for him. So guys, this is it here. I think this man actually sent this to the admin yesterday's night, okay, but it's showing me 2 hours ago, which I think is when the admin approved the post. So this is what he said. He said, "Good evening everyone, please, I need advice on what to do. I am born and dedicated in deeper life, but now I married a member of Assemblies of God. Now my question, or where I need advice, is after our wedding." Guys, please, I'm paraphrasing some things because there are some typo errors here, so pardon my slurring some words and all. So he said, where I need advice is after our wedding, we wedded in Assemblies of God. My wife joined me to be going to deeper life. Now she wants to join workers in the church. The leaders told her no, unless she stops wearing earrings and plating of attachments, which in their church is nothing. Now based on this, she's not active again in church. Now she's not active in the spirit again. She's not understanding what they are saying in the church. Sometimes she comes to church just to please me. Sometimes once she enters, she begins to sleep, all because she is not understanding the pattern of deeper life. So now I want to allow her to be going to Assemblies of God, so she will serve God in the way she wants to serve him. I don't want anything that will make her to be dull or not active in the spirit again. I hope I am doing the right thing. Thank you. So this is what the man shared, and I think it's clear enough for you to understand. So somehow I think that if somebody is a worker and the person wants to get married from another church, I think the right thing to do is to carry your marriage committee along, right? Let them know about it, and somehow their marriage committee and our own marriage committee work together to make sure that these people get married. That is what I really think. I don't know if I'm correct or wrong, but yeah, so in the course of letting your marriage committee know or carrying your marriage committee along, you know, even when you want to marry from other churches, your bride to be will kind of discuss with the marriage committee. Sometimes she will get to come to the church and things like that. I may be wrong, to be honest. I don't know how it is done, because my husband is a deeper life member, so we did attend the church and we both understood, you know, the marriage committee process and all of those things. So but let's say if this person is a worker, because for his wife to want to be a worker, that means the man is a worker, right? Let's say if he's a worker, I think the first thing that he would have done is to incorporate his woman, you know, to the ways of deeper life, and probably carry the marriage committee along, which I think if he did that, the marriage committee would have called his wife at some point to talk to her, and then maybe at some point she would have come to the church. I don't know, I really don't know, but this is a question that I would have loved him to answer, right? Then secondly, you both agree that you will be attending Deeper Life Bible Church as your family church when you come together as husband and wife. Since this is the case, I don't know, but the woman, is it that she did not do her own research to know the kind of church this man is worshiping? And to be fair, even if you did not do any research in Nigeria, and you want to marry a Deeper Life Bible Church person. So many people that are not even members of Deeper Life Bible Church already know that this is how they behave, this is how their services go, and things like that. Like, Deeper Life is not a small church that someone from Assemblies of God, another Bible believing church, will not understand. It's very, very strange that she knows nothing about the pattern of Deeper Life Bible Church. Very, very strange. And then let's say that, okay, that is the case, she never had any idea, she never did her own research and all of those things, and we are excusing her and excusing the man for not telling his wife or trying to incorporate his wife, you know, in the ways of the church, even before the wedding, while they were planning for the wedding, or not hinting her, telling her how it goes. You know, like, what were you discussing in your courtship? What did you talk about? If you did not talk about how your church is and all of those things, I don't really know. And or let's say you told her and then she just agreed, because some women are OES members. Anything you tell them during courtship, they tell you, okay, I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it. But at the end of the day, they know what they have in mind. Let's say that is the case. Okay, we are jumping that now. Let's go to the next point. She started attending Deeper Life Bible Church after, okay, she started attending Deeper Life Bible Church after marriage, and she saw the way these people dress, she saw the way the workers comport themselves and how they dress, and then she wants to join the working team. Like, even a traditionalist in Nigeria knows that Deeper Life Bible Church people, you can hardly see someone that's, you know, that wears earring, like a bona fide Deeper Life Bible Church worker. You can hardly find someone that wears earring and someone that plates attachments and parades with attachments in the church as a worker. I know that people do attachments and all of those things, but it's not something that we are known for. And even a traditional person in Nigeria knows this fact. Like, it's an anthem already. They already know that. In fact, anybody that is not putting on earrings or, you know, putting on attachments and, you know, dressing modestly and all, they tag that person as a Deeper Life person. Wherever you're coming from is not their business. So it is very strange that this woman came to the church and wants to join the working team, and they have to tell her what the rule is, and then she is thinking that it is strange that the church or the leaders are demanding that she takes away her earrings and her attachments in order to join the workforce. That is strange again.